Neighbors, what's good? It's your guy DJ Neighborhood, and we in the neighborhood. Shit, it's snowing like a motherfucker down here, but shit, what I'm finna do is we're gonna get us some drifting in. It's snowing and shit. It's a big lot, and it's just us over here. I got some more homies that's gonna pull up and all that good stuff. But yeah, sir, look at this. We don't never get none of this. It's been a good little minute, but shit, you know, we finna get some drifting in and see what it hit for. You know, all that good stuff. I got my guy. Shout out to my boy Drift King. He came all the way from the other part of the neighborhood to come down here and kick it with me. So shit, you know, we're finna get some drifting in. Like I said, I got some more homies finna pull up and all that good shit. We're gonna go from there just to see what it hit for. Like I said, it's just us out here. It's ice as a motherfucker. But like, this my guy Drift King, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with bro, but he done came all the way down here. My guy got on goddamn gym shorts, dog. Got on gym shorts, dog. It's snowing like a motherfucker. I got on some big ass overall, but yes sir, we finna get some drifting in and all that shit. I'm waiting on the other guys to pull up. Y'all stay tuned for it. Full of fun done into a ditch. It's usually the Mustang boys, but this time it's a Mero. So we finna figure out how to get him out of there and go from there. Luckily it's wet and muddy and ain't drying and hard and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're finna see what we can do and we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Like I said, it's usually a Mustang, but today it's a Camaro.
It's a Mustang. So where we gonna hit this shit to? This? Yeah, you can go right there.
I told you I'm the neighborhood hero. We come to save the neighbors. See?
Y'all saying connect them together and then we'll make one. This hoe come on out like that. And bring that hoe out like that. That way it can come on out.
Neighbors, I hope y'all can see this. My bad if you can't, but you know, it's all fucked up right now.
Woo, shit.
We're gonna get my boy Camaro out of there. The tow truck should be here in about 10 minutes. We still waiting. So yeah. You know how I go.
They were trying to make, I don't know what here. I don't know who caught it.
You know how I go, man. Tow truck to the rescue.
I'm looking at it, but how the heck? It get from right there to right there. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, it happens.
See, we already tried to get it out. I see it.
Hold on, neighbors. I'm gonna cut straight to us pulling on up out of there. We getting them out of there, neighbors. We getting them right on out of there. The buddy down there in the truck got stuff too, y'all boys.
Hey, your YouTube is be booming, bro.
Brother in the truck got stuff, but we got the Mero out of there. We got that boy up out of there. Yes, sir. Shit, buddy in the F-150 down there got stuck too. Alright, neighbor, so this gonna be pretty much be the end of this vlog. We got my boy out in the Mero. His homie got stuck in the truck, but you know, we finna get him out too. But it's getting late and it's getting colder, so what we finna do is finna wrap this up. Don't forget, watch my previous video, that highway takeover. But yes, sir, if you watched the video this far, come in neighborhood for me, know. Shout out to my guy Drift King. He came all the way down here in the snow and all that good stuff. So shout out to my dog, neighborhood hacker. Y'all be the neighborhood out. We don't know that. I'm amazing, I know.